Hello coders. In this video I am going to compare NumPy with Python list. This is part 3. Sir, why should I use NumPy? I have a list. So here you can see advantages of NumPy over Python list. First, NumPy consumes less memory. Second, NumPy is faster as compared to the Python list. Third, NumPy is convenient to use. Let me once again compare Python list with NumPy. So inside list, we have elements of multiple data type, while all the elements must be of same data type in NumPy. Lists are slow compared to the NumPy. NumPy arrays are faster than list. We can't do element-wise operation in Python list, but we can do element-wise operation in NumPy. Python list takes more size compared to NumPy. NumPy takes less size as compared to the Python list. Now, in this video, I am going to compare Python list with NumPy in operation speed. So let me take one example. So here, if you want to measure the speed, we require time module. That you can see I have imported time module with import statement, import time. And here I have created one variable with name size with around 10 lakh elements. So here I have imported time module, then initialize the size of list and NumPy. So here I have created two lists with the declared size 10 lakh elements. Here you can see I have created two NumPy array. So I have created these two NumPy arrays A1 and A2 with the same size 10 lakh elements. Now here I have started the timer with time.time module which start the timer. Then I have performed element wise operation. So for that here I have used the list comprehension. You can see it will take the first element from L1 and the first element of L2. Same way it will take the second element of L1 and it will take the second element of L2 and add it out likewise for all the 10 lakh elements. Now you can see in the third statement print time.time which is end time minus start. So time module or the time function by default gives us time in second. To convert into millisecond, I have multiplied it with the 1000. So now in the same way for the NumPy, I have started the timer with time.time module. Then added, because as you can see, NumPy performs the operation element wise. So here list comprehension is not required. You can directly add two NumPy arrays. So here I have taken result equal to A1 plus A2. Then you can see time.time which is end minus start. Again I have converted into the millisecond. Now you can see time in millisecond taken by list. And here you can see time in millisecond taken by NumPy. So let I show you this practically in Jupyter Notebook. You can download this file from my GitHub account. Link is given in the description. So let me first import time module. Then initialize the size variable with 10 lakh elements. So let me first create two Python lists using range function with given size L2 range with given size. So now let me create two NumPy array. So before that we require to import NumPy as np. Then A1 is equal to np dot arange with given size. A2 is equal to np dot arange with given size. Now let me first check for the Python list. So let me start the timer. So to perform element wise operation in Python list, we have to use list comprehension and zip function with L1 and L2. So it will take first element of L1 and first element of L2, second element of L1 and second element of L2. Then we have to add element wise. So now here I take end time. So time dot time. Then print end minus start. And I want to convert into millisecond because by default it is in second. Now you can see list have taken around 352 milliseconds. Now let me check it for the NumPy. Again we have to start the timer. Then here we not required to use list comprehension because by default NumPy perform operation element wise. Then end is equal to time dot time. So now print end minus start, and to convert into millisecond multiply with 1000. Okay, now you can see NumPy took only 36 seconds. Sorry, milliseconds, right? So we have converted into 1000. So it required just 36 milliseconds compared to the Python list. Now you can see NumPy is incredibly fast compared to the Python list. Thank you. Thank you for watching.